If you know that you wake up in the morning without having your shower, you have already eaten. Raise up your hand. If you know that you woke up in the morning without having your shower, you start doing house job. Raise up your hand. I am number one. Make I first go bath before I'll call the clean. It is soft. Alright, I have visitors this period, so I am organizing. You can see that all the food that I'm cooking this period, I'll be cooking a lot is for my visitors. Okay, so today I have another cooking that something that I have to prepare down for my visitors and blah blah blah. So after putting my pepper soup into my fridge because I have to preserve it, my visitor will be coming this week. I've already sent Obi packing. My husband has already left. I am now alone. The new visitors are coming in. I have set rules and regulations for my new visitor. So now I'm just trying to pack out all the pepper soup that I prepared last night to keep them aside because I'm cooking a lot this period, so that when my visitor comes home, they have everything. There will not be lack of anything. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay, work. Let's go and do some cleaning in this kitchen. Then I have to put this aside. I have to allow it to get cold. Then before I can put it inside my fridge. Then I have to clean all these premises in this kitchen because I have a lot of work to do again. Okay. Wait! Oh, like a dance. Everybody dance. Everybody move your bum 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 bum. Oh, like a dance.